Hello everyone and welcome. It's me, Helene, here again with a second chance drawing for my January giveaway, and that is because Nadine Jones did get a hold of me, but she only wants the tea. So everything else in the items that were hers are up for grabs. And so I'm going to do that drawing in just a second, and that will be one person. However, I do have another little something for Becky, aka Birdsong, if you are watching, for guessing the closest to my question. And I thought about that anyway, originally, and I just kind of spaced on it when I did the first drawing, first time around. Because I was celebrating 3 things, so I thought that I would include that as well. It's just a little extra surprise. And I'll just go over these real quick, and I hope you don't mind the water dripping sound in the background. It's raining today, still chilly, 30, upper 30s I think, if that, but I just need to come outside for a few and get some fresh air, clean and crisp out with the fresh rain. Okay, so here we go. I just want to make this real quick and recap, remind you. It's for the Madrid yarn, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 350 yards in the color Peach Kiss, and it's a very nice gradient yarn. And so the tea that was in here is going to Nadine, but this still includes rather, the 2 pom-pom maker sets. You get a medium and large and a couple of small ones. And just as a reminder, I'm sorry for the lighting here. See if I can adjust that. Okay. These have little to no instructions, so if you go on YouTube and type in Clover Pom Pom Maker, then several will come up. And also who wins this too is, be careful, is that I found that this yarn tends to come apart upon itself in the ball and how it's wound, so you may or may not want to rewind it in your own way, or just be careful. And I don't recommend using the center pull. I recommend going from the outside. And it looks like, I thought I just saw a knot, a tie. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't notice that before, but that happens with some yarn. I just noticed that. Anyway, you'll just have to deal with it. And then, because I'm just popping Nadine's tea into a regular envelope, I'm going to include in the original giveaway the Organic Fair Trade Dark Chocolate Raspberry Baton. Woohoo! Alright, so let's go over to the computer and I will pick some. Okay, so here we go. I'm still outside. I want to get this done while I can still feel my hands too. Here I've entered the link, pasted that into my original, the very first video. I've gotten the 30 unique comments, and here we go. Are you ready? The winner, please, is Wendy Summers. Congratulations, Wendy. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, well, please get a hold of me. I will leave my email below, and I will get this out to you. All right. Thanks again, everyone, for playing along. It's been really fun. Take care, and as always, I will see you soon.